Profit of around 8,000 rupees. 25th May 2026. I guess so. What's the date? 26th, Tuesday. Market has been pretty volatile. Let's see if I'm able to capture some points. 8,000 is a good profit as of now, but I'm just trying to capture more points. Let's see how far can I take my profits to. Till now, this has been an awesome trade with the current profit of around 7,800 bucks. The price is fluctuating. Let's see how it goes. I'm expecting a very, very good move. So if I get a decent move, I think I should be pretty happy. I'm already happy. But then when market gives you such kind of money, oh my God, look at the profit, 9,500, 9,600. It's inching towards the 10K, but I'm looking at much bigger profits. 10K is the normal these days. So let's see, let's hope for some good spike in the profits. Not sure. Will the market go up? Badly need a profit on this day. It's been a good trade so far. The price is reducing. Even now, if I exit the trade, I'm still going to have around 7,600 rupees profit. But I don't think so there's any point for me to book my profit at 7 change, because I'm looking at a bigger profit. I'm looking for a bigger spike. That's beauty. 8,300, 8,000. This is the beauty of Nifty chart. Who says you can't make money in trading? And if you can make this kind of money in 10, 15 minutes, ain't it awesome? Come on, Nifty. 8,500. What's the time? Time is 10:38 on 26th of May, Tuesday. 8,200, 8,300. This is why trading is very difficult, because the price keeps fluctuating and so does the heartbeat. 9,000 bucks, close to 9,000. Yes, 9,000. Expecting a good move from here. I've taken one more trade prior to this, and probably I would have been in a negative 600 in that particular trade. So that's fine. When you're making, so I lost 600 bucks in the previous trade, but here I've made 8,365 so far. Fingers crossed, hoping to make bigger profits. Let's see. Market is playing around. Come on, Nifty. Profits reduced to 7,500. 8,000. Still below 8,000 bucks. 7,300. This is the setup. Ideally, the market should go up. Yeah, man. I think my trade should be done within probably another 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, with my desired profit in my hand. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But this is market. Market is ultimate. Anything can happen. So I've just crossed 8,000 bucks again, but the market is playing around. 7,000. Seven five. Ain't it crazy? $7,500. 7.4. I need a bigger breakout, and the market should spike the price. Yeah, now it's above 8,000. It's been a difficult market also. Like I was expecting a better move by now. It's been more than 15 minutes in this particular trade, and I ain't liking it. It shouldn't take trading. The whole purpose of trading is to make quick money within a very short period of time. But so far, good profits. Yeah, even though it's only 7,000 bucks. And remember, the 7,000 is made in 15 to 20 minutes. In this particular trade. Let's see what happens. Market is fluctuating. The profits have reduced from 8,000 to 5,900, 5,000 change. But that's how the market is, right? It doesn't give you easy money. Uh-oh, uh-oh. The price is drastically dropping. So is my profits. Half my profit has gone. So the price dropped from 8,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees. Ideally, the market has to go up. So I'm just trying to see what could be the possibility. Will the market go up? Ideally, it has to go up. Let us see. 4,800 is the profit that I'm running on. Expecting a good spike in this candle at least. 4,800, 5,000. Market always moves up and down. So that is why we see a fluctuation in the price. But overall, I think the market trend is intact. Our conviction of a trade is intact. So nothing that really should worry us. Hopefully, this candle should determine what happens. Damn, the profits have reduced to 3,400, 4,000. Let's wait and see what happens. So we are 10 minutes into this live session as the market is playing around, fluctuating and giving us anxiety. Not really. The only thing that can happen is either I get a good profit or I have a defined loss. So when I take a trade, both of these are defined. So there's nothing that I'm worried or scared about. But when you see a good amount and then the price reduces, I feel bad. But then I know I'm going to make more money. So it ain't a problem. But I want my trades to be done in 10-15 minutes. But this has taken almost like 25-30 minutes. So I'm not really that happy with the trade. But that's how the market behaves. We shouldn't be complaining when we're getting such opportunity to make this kind of massive money, a massive side income on a daily basis. What more do you want? A few months back, I used to make 5K or some stuff on a daily basis. Then I've scaled it up to 10, 12, 15, 20. So I'm trying to look at profits around that range. So this 4,000, 5,000, 7,000, 8,000 and all, even 10,000 really doesn't matter to me at this moment. So I'm waiting for bigger profits, and the whole plan is to scale up my daily profits. So what started as $500 per day was scaled to 1,000. From 1,000, it went to 3,000. From 3,000 to 5,000, wherein I was making 5,000 consistently. And with time, I was able to make 10 to 15,000 on a regular basis. And I've also made profits beyond 20,000 as well. So that's how you need to scale up and to consistently make that amount. And with time, you get better at trading, and with time, your conviction increases. With time, the profit increases. So my target is in the next few months, I'll have to be making around 25,000 per day. Imagine 25,000 per day if I'm able to make. That will be awesome. Even if there are 4 trading sessions and 4 profits if I make. So that is 1 lakh. So that is 1 lakh in 4 days. Is it easy? Trading definitely is not one of the easiest thing, but definitely that 25,000 is achievable. And then I'll further scale it up and make bigger profits. And the whole intent or my goal is to make almost 1 lakh in the next couple of years on a daily basis. Let's see how things goes. If I have the same dedication, the same madness, if I put in the same effort, definitely I'll be able to crack around 1 lakh per day. Let's see how things unfold, but more than the outcome of making 1 lakh or 2 lakhs per day, it is the process that you follow and the daily money that you make and the confidence and the growth trajectory that gives us immense happiness. No means I wouldn't be even be able to come up with such a kind of a roadmap if I had no clue how stock market works, right? Because I used to struggle to make 500 bucks. To make 500 bucks, I used to lose a lot of money. And today I'm talking about making 25,000 per day, making 50,000 per day. And during a phase of my life wherein I'm easily making around 10 to 15,000 per day. Isn't that awesome? But now my profits are at 3,900 rupees. But that's how the market is. Few more minutes, I think should be done with my trade, hopefully. Um, I mean, on the positive side, of course, with maybe around some 15 to 20,000 profit, that will be super awesome. Slowly and steadily getting up, Nifty. I'm looking for a massive spike. Profit back to 5,000 rupees. And imagine if you can keep trading on a daily basis till the end of your life, because the market is not going to be changing. The way market behaves is going to be the same, and the way I trade would also be the same. And I would definitely refine my edge to make better entries, better exits. But on a long term, you definitely get better at trading. Trading gets easier. You would have made a lot of money, so there is no risk. There is even if I'm taking a risk, it's only 1%. So that is not at all a problem at all. And the beauty is you can keep trading, you can keep trading, you can keep trading and making a lot of money, accumulating your wealth. This is the ultimate form of wealth creation. So you need to give a few years for trading, and once you click, then life becomes super awesome. Super awesome. It becomes so easy wherein I'm just sitting at my desk in my shorts and my t-shirt, and I have already made 6,000 bucks. Imagine how easy, how simple it is to make money. So I at my work I make around 10,000 rupees a day. That is for 8 hours to 9 hours of shift, and we have 20 days, right? So I make over 10,000 per day, and that takes around 9 hours of effort, lot of calls, lot of meetings, lot of interactions. And here I'm doing nothing. I'm just in front of the system, not even thinking. My thinking stops once I enter a trade, because only till I enter a trade, my brain works as to, okay, this is where I need to enter, and after that, until I make money, I'm just seeing what's happening in the market. That's it. And 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes, or 20 to 30 minutes is what I take for a trade. And post that, life is like awesome. You make money, then you decide what to do. Uh, and this is at the moment 6,000 rupees, but going ahead, it's going to be uh, a massive profits that I will be able to make. 5,000 was a dream few years back. And now, even after making 5,000, I feel bad that I have to make 10,000 bucks, 15,000 bucks, 20,000 bucks, 25,000 bucks. This trade is taking a long time, but still, it's pretty nice to sit and watch the chart, see the price moving up. Now the price is at 7,000. 7,000. 200 or some stuff. And I think now Nifty should give a very good spike. Come on, Nifty. I have to go have my cup of coffee. I just had a black coffee in the morning. I badly need a cup of coffee. Imagine if you're making around 1 lakh a day, and eventually I will get to that stage. Probably it might take a year and a half, or my target is by 2028, I need to be making around 1 lakh on a daily basis. And that is my goal. And I'm working towards this particular goal, and I know I will get it. I've got the madness, I've got the craziness to do everything for me to get to that 1 lakh mark per day. And the past record I've been trading for the last 6 years, and the last 2-3 years has been really uh, game changer. The way I've traded, the way I've scaled up my profits, the way I have uh, increased my knowledge with respect to trading, right? So this all gives me the confidence that I will be able to easily uh, make around a lakh in the next couple of years. But that's a long-term vision. But then, like my whole goal in the next couple of months is to make 25,000 consistently. So if I'm able to make 10, 15,000, so it's just a small leap, and I think I should be able to easily achieve it. That being said, it's not easy, but yeah, everything concept-wise, everything is the same. So I just need to pick more lots, so more quantities, and I'll be able to scale up my profit. But today market is taking some time. Don't know why. Profit of around 6,300. Not sure why it is taking so long. I was at a profit of 9,000 to 10,000 rupees. You might wonder why didn't I book my profit at 9,000, which is a good amount. I'm not trading for 9 to 10,000. I want more. So that's how you scale up my profits. And my eventual goal is in the next couple of months, I need to be clocking around 25,000 per day. And if I'm able to make such kind of money, it'll be super awesome. It's almost 11 o'clock in the morning. Eleven a.m. 11 a.m. Nifty is struggling actually. That's what I feel. But ideally, it has to go up, and it would. It's a game of wait and watch. Trading is more like you going to a jungle and anticipating a tiger or a lion, something like that. The whole game is about anticipation, and that gives the kick. The whole point when you go to a jungle is not actually viewing or sighting a tiger. It's a whole feel that you get when you're anticipating or expecting to get a sighting of the beautiful animal. As meanwhile, my profit have crossed 7,000 rupees. Hey Bhagwan, दिला दे मेरे को profit. 7,100. Oh, this video has already been around 25 minutes. So this has been a long trade with an anticipation of a good profit. Let us see how it goes. Barbara, it is taking so long. The price is not moving according to the chart movement. Wonder why. Uh-oh. I think the Nifty should skyrocket. The price should skyrocket. It should just spike up like crazy. Just waiting for it. Probably now I think it might. That is what I've been saying for the last 15 minutes. But the market is playing around. Let's see. $7,400, $7,500. All we need is a good spike. Seven five 8,000. 8. I just saw 8,000 rupees. I know the sound of the fan is like a little bit irritating. I don't have an air conditioner in this room. The AC is in my room, wherein it stays silent, but I don't have an AC in this particular room. So you'll have to pardon me for all the stupid noises that you hear. And what is happening to Nifty? Ah, ha, ha. What happens if the market goes down and if I'm not able to make profit? OMG, that will be insane. But ideally, the market should go up. That is the conviction that I have. But you never know, market is ultimate. Anything can happen. If I'm not able to make profit, I'll be really, really sad because I'm expecting this trade to give me a lot of money. I've already seen around 9 to 10,000 rupees in this trade. But I'm just trying to exceed my limit and get bigger profits. So Let's see how things goes. Profits down to 5,000 bucks. So what? This is the jugaad that I do. So this is my speaker, and I'm just placing my phone, or resting my phone rather, on the speaker, so that I don't have to hold it. So this is all about jugaad. Let me place it properly. Yeah. Price is down to 4,200, which is not something that I'm really happy with. 4,800. You might be thinking I had 9 to 10,000 profit, and why didn't I book 9 to 10,000 rupees immediately? And why am I still in a trade where my profit has reduced by half? That is the whole point, right? The whole point is to scale up your profit. So that's what I've been doing. That is my whole strategy. When I was making 500, I was not happy with 500. I wanted at least 1,000 bucks. And when I started making 1,000 bucks, it's not that I was happy with 1,000. My next goal was to make around 2,000 rupees. Then I came into 2,000 bucks. Then my whole target was to make 3,000. And once I came to 3,000, I wanted to make 5,000. So that hunger in you to make a lot of money is what keeps you going. So why would I be satisfied or happy with the 10,000 wherein I can make 15,000? And when I'm making 15,000, why should I be happy with 15,000 wherein I can make 20,000? And when I go to 25,000 per day, do you think I'll be happy? No. I would be chasing 50,000 per day. And from 50, I will slowly go to 75 to 1 lakh. And trust me, by 2028, I will be making around 1 lakh per day in day trading. 1 lakh per day. So out of 10 days, even if I'm making 1 lakh for around 7 days, and if you take all the charges and everything, even then, in 2 weeks, I'm making 5 lakhs, 5 to 6 lakhs. Isn't that super awesome? And in a month, that will be almost 10 lakhs. But that would take a couple of years. And I'm very sure that I will get into that stage. We are 33 minutes into this particular trade. Is trading difficult? Trading is difficult if you don't know how the stock market works. If you know how the stock market works, trading is one of the most easiest way to make money. But it's a little bit frustrating when the trade has taken almost 30 minutes to 40 minutes because my ideal trades get over within 15 minutes. So this is slightly on the annoying side. But if I'm able to make this kind of money, it is okay, right? What do you think? Will I be able to make my profit, or is the market going to come down? Truly speaking, even I don't know. uh, Crazy, isn't it? But the whole point I'm just making this video is to make the general audience know that trading can create massive income. I wouldn't say wealth creation, but yeah, it can create a massive income. Wealth creation happens in the stock portfolio. So I've got a crazy, dope, high, high growth engine in my stocks. That would be for wealth creation. That would fetch me in crores. And all this income that I make, be it job or be it the day trading, so I use this funds to further create wealth. So one-stop solution for any problem in life is stock market. As simple as that. Profits around 5,400, but Nifty is playing around. Why is it playing around? God only knows. Fight 3. I've got other work. I just need to get this completed and get to my daily set of activities. And more importantly, to have my cup of coffee. The wait is still on at a profit of 5,200. So I'll just chill and relax. I think it's taking some time. Not sure how long it would take. But the only one thing that I can say is Nifty is struggling. It's struggling to go up. And I am struggling to sit and watch my trade go on for so long. From 10,000, the profit has reduced to around 3,000 bucks. What if it goes into negative? That's part of the game, right? So in trading, there are loss days and there are profit days. So we should be in a position to accept losses. And one loss will not change your destiny because you get a chance to trade again and make money. But I'm damn sleepy here. The market is sluggish. Wait and watch game. What would happen? God knows. I don't know. Will I get profit? Hopefully, yes. But what if I don't? That's the major question. But anyways, in a few minutes or sometime we will know